Okay, so first of all, you have to open Scopus. So you need to type Scopus in the any of the search engines, and you have to open this very first link, which is scopus.com. For the very first tab, you can see it says like search within, and it provides article title, abstract, and keyword. So if you click on this down arrow, you can really filter your search based on different things. For example, fields, article titles, authors, first authors, DOI information, languages, and other relevant things as well. But for most of the researchers, they prefer to download their articles, or they prefer to make their database based on this article title, abstracts, and keyword. So we will stick with this one. And here in the search document, you have to put the keywords or the title of your research work. So for this particular video, I'm taking an example in which I want to make a database for the flotation studies of lithium ion batteries. So it can be different topics. You can put the titles of your topic, or maybe the keywords of your topics. So then you have to click on this search. So when you click on this search, it will result in this kind of dashboard in which it says like you have 36 documents that are found on Scopus. So these are the 36 documents in Scopus, which contains fourth rotation lithium-ion batteries. These words either in the article title or the abstract or the keyword. So let's explore what different things you can do with this on this dashboard. First, for example, okay, so now let us see what are the different options that are available on Scopus. In the dashboard, you can see there's the year in which you can really extract information based on a particular year. For example, you want to see how the articles that are published in a single year, for example, in 2022. You just need to click on this one, and then you will click on this limit to, and it will extract information for that particular year. So let us do this, for example, for 2020. Let's say let us do this for 2020. So you just click on the limit to, so it will extract the information accordingly. So there are 7 documents that are published in the year 2022, sorry, 2020, and it will filter the information accordingly. So similarly, what you can do is you can also go for the range, and in the range you can put the year here as well. For example, 2020 up to 2023, and you can really extract information accordingly. You just need to put an enter. Since we don't want to do this, let us go forward. And similarly, you can see the authors that different professors and researchers that are working on that particular research field. For example, you can see these authors from here, and then you can really follow them on LinkedIn and maybe a Google Scholar and do different kind of networking with them, and so that you can remain within the field. Similarly, you can see the subject area. What are the different subject area that corresponds with your research work? Similarly, you can see the document type. For example, there are 34 articles. This is one conference paper and one review article. So if you just want to extract a review article information, all you need to do again is just to click on this one and then to click on the limit to, and it will do the it will filter the article or the search accordingly. Similarly, there are source titles based on the journals and what is the stage of the publication. For example, if there are some articles that are under review, then it will also show this. But for this particular field, there are the articles that are already published are here, so it doesn't show any continuous article. Similarly, for the keywords, what are the different keywords that are used in the articles? For in 24 articles, they have used lithium-ion batteries as a keyword and recycling as in 23 different articles. Similarly, you can see the information about the universities, that what are the pioneer universities that are working on this, what are the leading universities. For example, Aalto University Finland is taking the lead in by having 8 publications in that particular field. Similarly, the Michigan University has 7 months. So you can really explore, or if you really want to work in future, you can really target these universities for your based on this search. Similarly, you can see the funding details if you want to see the funding bodies, and apart from this, you can also see the countries that are working on this search field, and also the source type, like if there's a journal or there's a conference proceeding. And similarly, if the articles have an open access, or the articles are, you need some kind of subscription to get the articles. For example, there are only 16 articles that are open access, and for the rest of articles, you either need to have a subscription, or you either need to have a valid account from your university. So these are the different things that you can do with this particular search, particular search. So apart from this, what else you can do? For example, let us see, there is a tab which says analyze results. So if you click on this analyze result, it will take you to another dashboard, and this dashboard will provide you different kind of graphs, and from these different kind of graphs you can further explore your search, and further have some exploratory data analysis based on the authors or the affiliations or the documents or subject area. For example, if you just click on this one, you will see there's a wonderful pie chart, and it shows like what is the percentage of the different fields that belongs to the particular search. So this is another thing that you can do with this one. And